Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate in Growtopia. Crafting this delightful treat is a fun and rewarding experience in the game. We will cover everything from gathering your initial ingredients to the final steps of creation. Get ready to sweeten up your Growtopia adventures with this easy-to-follow guide. It's a perfect way to enjoy a cozy moment or share with friends. Let's dive right into the process. To begin your hot chocolate journey, you'll need two key ingredients, a cocoa bean and a milk. Cocoa beans can be harvested from cocoa trees, which you can grow yourself or find in other players' worlds. Milk is typically obtained from cow blocks or by trading. Make sure you have at least one of each item ready in your inventory before moving on to the next step. Gathering these first is crucial for success. Once you have your cocoa bean and milk, head over to a chemical lab. This is where the magic happens. Simply place one cocoa bean into one of the crafting slots and one milk into the other. The chemical lab will then display the hot chocolate as the resulting item. Confirm the recipe and voila, your very own hot chocolate is ready to be enjoyed. It's that straightforward to craft. Now that you've successfully crafted your hot chocolate, it's time to enjoy it. Consuming hot chocolate gives your character a small temporary boost, which can be helpful during gameplay. It's also a sought-after item for collectors and can be traded with other players. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy Growtopian adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.